The biggest buzz about electric cars? No exhaust pipe. That simple detail signals a huge shift in how we think about transportation and our environment. Traditional cars burn gasoline, pumping out pollution that harms our air and health. Every time a gas car starts, it releases carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and tiny particles that linger in the air we breathe. EVs run on batteries. No burning, no smoke, no fumes. Instead of filling up at a gas station, you plug in at home or at a public charger, using cleaner electricity that's getting greener every year. That's a game changer for city air quality and fighting climate change. Cleaner transportation means less smog, fewer greenhouse gases, and a healthier planet for future generations. Every EV on the road means less carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Multiply that by millions of cars, and the impact is massive. Governments worldwide are backing EVs with tax credits, perks, and even bans on new gas cars in the near future. These policies are speeding up the transition and making EVs more affordable for everyone. Cleaner air means healthier people and a more stable climate. Kids can play outside without worrying about breathing in harmful fumes, and families can enjoy parks and city life with peace of mind. In crowded cities, replacing gas cars with EVs can cut smog and reduce asthma rates. Fewer tailpipes mean fewer pollutants, making urban life safer and more enjoyable for everyone. Imagine city streets without the haze of exhaust or the smell of gasoline. The difference is not just visible, it's something you can feel with every breath. That's the future EVs are building. Cleaner, healthier, and better for everyone. It's a future where our daily commutes don't come at the expense of our health or the planet. It's not just about the planet. It's about the air we breathe every day. Cleaner air means fewer illnesses and a better quality of life for all. The shift to electric is a simple, powerful way to make a real difference. Every driver who chooses an EV is helping to create a cleaner, brighter future. Choosing an EV is choosing a cleaner world. It's a step toward protecting nature, preserving our climate, and ensuring a better tomorrow. The movement is global, and it's only accelerating. More people, cities, and countries are joining in, driving us all toward a cleaner, healthier planet.